Happy Deepavali and a very warm welcome to Dulwich College, Singapore. I'm delighted to welcome you here today to celebrate the first in a series of concerts that we will be doing this year called Music Worldwide. So, for Deepavali, we are honored to welcome you to our first celebration celebrating the music of India. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please enjoy today's concert. I'm now handing you over to our wonderful MCs, Brody and Nicole. Nicole.
Hi, hello, welcome. We at Dulwich College are so thrilled to have you here. Thank you so much for being here. We have our world famous musicians, Guru Sasanta Chowdhury playing the sitar and Guru Supriyo Banerjee playing the tabla. Thank you so much for being here. Brody, would you like to ask our first question?
Yes, thank you. So, do you mind telling us about the instruments you play?
So I'm playing the instrument, it's called sitar. It's actually, there is a doubt how it is came to India, but probably the possibility is because in India we had lot of bina, that is called Rudra bina, other binas. So sitar may be inherited from the Rudra bina. It's quite similar to that instrument. And we are playing mainly the classical music in Indian classical music in sitar. Also, it is used as a background music for the light songs. Even in film music, we are using sitar. Situational music also we are playing in sitar to produce kind of mood or like that. And this sitar, actually, we have 20 frets to play on the fingerboard, and we have 7 strings on the top. Along with that, we have sympathetic strings to resonate the sound. And we are placing our left hand finger on the fret and plucking with the right hand.
Right.
That makes the sound. It's like this. If I'm holding the sitar in this position, and then I can use my left hand, left side of the fret and play. That's how we play. And we pluck in 2 ways, in and out. Like that.
Right. Yeah.
And we do pull the string to produce the sound what we are singing. Like Gare Gama Dre Ni Ga Sa.
Right, yeah.
That's called Meer, and this is the main part, main beauty of sitar. Another beauty is the drone strings. It always gives supports, and it creates a beautiful mood, no? Like it's called jhala.
Yeah, right. Wow. That's very cool. And for the tabla?
This is hi. This instrument is called as tabla. So this is created in 13th century. Previously it was invented by Ustad Amir Khusru. So previously during the kingdom, during the kings, in front of kings there are musics.
Right.
So it's classical music. This one is formed by breaking of pakawaj. Previously pakawaj was the two side like this, the bass drums and like this. So after breaking that it came to two different pieces. So normally the main part we say tabla, and the left side part, the bass drum, is called baya or dagga.
Right.
So these two sounds, actually I just mention you that this upper part, okay, if I demonstrate, this upper part is all animal skins.
Right.
So there are 3 layers of skins. One same inside like this, then the middle layer, then the upper layer. So and this black part is called CIE. So now these things are made up of, it's the gum, the paste is boiled rice
Right.
and the iron dust.
Wow.
So they just paste it with stone, and they just rub. So then the sound comes, the resonance comes.
Yeah.
So the outer part is called kinar. This particular part is called 3 layers with this CI is called puri. Now these are the straps to pull. So these straps are made up of camel skin. Now these are called gatte. Gatte means only these straps can't pull so much. So they need to hold the pulling.
Right. Yeah.
So these all are used for tuning. And this base is made up of wood. These are rings where we have to keep, otherwise, it will move.
Yeah.
The same thing this one, only the bass drum is of metal, copper. So now this thing sounds. Let's say the last inner part is called kinar. So as we speak, tabla also speaks.
Right.
So tabla has its own language. So let's say if I say na, you will hear na.
Yeah.
If I say tite, you will hear tite. If I say tun,
Okay, now use your both hand. I will say the terms and you play it.
okay, please.
So he was saying the syllables of tabla. So now he will show with both hand. Like in the left hand, if I say kat, ghe, ghe, tete, nana, katta, dhage tete, dhage terekete, dha terekete dhi, ghe nana, tete tete.
Wow. Like that. It's very cool.
That's very cool. Would you?
So that's the playing pattern of tabla, and then we are following a rhythmic cycle. So we have different rhythmic cycles, some 16, some 15, some 14. So classically we have up to 7, right from 16 to 7. That is more in use. So when we'll be performing, we'll choose some rhythmic structure, and I will be playing the raga following that same rhythmic structure.
Finally, both the hands when starts playing, it seems like this. I just show you a short demo.
Yeah. Wow.
Would you like to play us your first piece?
We'll be playing a piece, raga named Paddeep, which is allocated for this timing. Actually, in our Indian classical music, we follow the time cycle. Why? Because the ragas composed according to our human nature. Like early morning when we are waking up, we are in a we are lazy because of adequate rest. So in that mode, we are playing some ragas which does not move so fast and soft tonal quality. Simultaneously, same sort of swaras, notes, have in the evening slots where after whole day work we are tired, we don't want to move. That time also we are lazy, right? So in this time frame, we have the flat notes, mainly two notes flat and other or pure notes. Then little bit later, we are going to the purer notes. We change that flat notes to pure notes. That gives different ragas. So in that we have time cycles of eight time cycles are there, 8 timings divided to 3 hours, like 24 hours divided. So in 3 categories we have the ragas. There are more than 400 ragas, but mostly performed ragas are like 60, 70, like that. So Patdeep one rag, what we'll be playing now, it's the afternoon melody. And it has swaras like, we are saying do re mi fa sol la ti as sa re ga ma pa da ni, sa flat ga ma pa ni sa. All the notes way back to sa, but going time only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Now while playing a rag, we follow some basic rules. Like rag has 2 more important notes. One is called badi, another one is called sambadi. In this rag, we have badi is pa and sambadi is sa. And we will maintain that. Apart from badi sambadi, there are some notes which is most important in that rag, and we'll give some special approach to that note. Like in this rag, we have ni is the special note. Like so initial thing is called alap, means I am introducing the rag to the audience. Next is jod, the making the notes as a phrasal melody. Then comes to the composition. Then we are experimenting so many things, what we have learned from our guru. And after that we are going to the climax to play in the faster speed to conclude the music. That's what we are going to do. So Rag Patdeep, it's set to 3 tal. We are playing 16-beat cycle, 3 tal. Why 3 tal? It has 4 claps, 1 no clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. That cycle will carry on.
That was amazing. Thank you very much. Can you tell us a little bit about how improvisation factors into your performance? Is a lot of it pre-written or?
Okay, we have the rag rules, right? We'll do it with Saga Mapani Sanidapa Magarecha. That's the rule. So when we're improvising, no, we are keeping the rhythm in our mind and for maintaining the rag. Like, for example, just play the theka. In vocal music, how we are singing. सुंदर सुकर श्यामा जब आयो सुंदर सुकर श्यामा जब आयो सुंदर सुकर श्यामा जब आयो. That's the right. Now how to improvise? Saga ma pa ga ga ma pa ni Nida ni sa nida pa ga ma pa ga sa ga ma pa ga re sa sundar sukar shama jagar ayo sundar sukar sham. Same thing will play in sitar. Now improvisation. These are called tan. Always going double speed. So now these are the classical portion. Now we can go to the little light pattern, so that everybody can enjoy more. Without learning music also you can enjoy this music because this is light classical music. So I am playing a composition done by Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. Its name is Lasya. It's based in Rag Charukeshi. a short piece, 3-4 minutes. So I'm presenting that. this in 2 minutes.
Thank you so much. That was really cool. Thank you.
On behalf of Dulwich College, we'd like to offer you a small token of appreciation for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
While Brody and Nicole are getting two small gifts for you, I'd like to say a very huge thank you on behalf of
Thank you.
College
Thank
College
you.
Singapore. You've indeed made today an incredibly happy Deepavali.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wish you to
We have been so fortunate to have two of the world's most renowned exponents of Indian music who live here in Singapore. Incredibly fortunate, and we would love to have you back here at the school.
Sure.
I'm sure you've inspired many of our audience here today watching on the live stream, and who will continue to watch on our YouTube channel, the sitar and the tabla, and I'm sure there's quite a few students here at the school who would love to play these instruments. Incredibly inspiring,
Thank you.
moving, and to be an audience here in this very small, cozy room has been indeed very, very special, and I hope how the specialness and the wonderful occasion of today has come across to you, our audience. Have a fantastic day, and again, happy Diwali.